in the heart of the New World, where the sun-kissed Americas stretched out in all its grandeur, a new era was dawning. This was not the age of exploration or discovery, but the age of plantation economy, a system that would forever change the landscape and the lives of those who inhabited it. The year was 1607, and the fertile soil of Virginia had caught the eyes of the English settlers. They arrived, weary and hopeful, on the shores of Jamestown, seeking fortune and a new life. However, it was not gold or precious gems that would make their fortunes but the humble tobacco plant. Tobacco, a Native American crop, had been used by indigenous tribes for centuries. But the English saw its potential for profit. They cleared the forests, turned the soil, and planted the first tobacco seeds. The plantation economy was born. The plantations grew, spreading across the southern colonies like wildfire. Slaves, bought from Africa, became the backbone of this economy. They toiled under the scorching sun, their hands calloused and their bodies bruised, planting, tending, and harvesting the tobacco crops. The life of a slave was hard, filled with back-breaking labor and unimaginable cruelty. Yet they endured, finding solace in the rhythm of the work, in the shared misery, and in the hope of freedom. The plantation owners, on the other hand, reveled in their newfound wealth. They built grand mansions, filled their homes with luxurious furnishings, and lived a life of opulence. However, the golden age of the plantation economy was not without its consequences. The relentless demand for tobacco led to deforestation, soil depletion, and a devastating environmental impact. The indigenous tribes who had once inhabited the land were pushed aside, their cultures decimated, their numbers dwindling. The plantation economy also had far-reaching social and political implications. The wealth and power of the plantation owners grew, leading to a deepening divide between the rich and the poor. The slaves, oppressed and exploited, began to dream of freedom, sparking the flames of rebellion. The plantation economy, once a symbol of prosperity and success, had sown the seeds of its own destruction. As the 18th century dawned, the winds of change began to blow, heralding the end of this golden age and ushering in a new era of struggle and transformation. Yet, the legacy of the plantation economy continues to shape the Americas to this day.